If you're thinking about using EarnIn, here are 12 important things you need to know before making a decision, especially when comparing it to other financial apps like Dave or Bridget. Let's dive right into the key features and potential downsides of EarnIn. First off, EarnIn is an app that gives you access to your earned wages before your payday, which sounds great when you need quick cash. It's perfect for avoiding payday loans or high-interest credit cards. However, it's not the only app offering this feature. Competitors like Dave and Bridget also provide similar services, but EarnIn has a unique way of doing things. Next thing, there are no interest fees on the money you withdraw. Instead of charging interest, EarnIn works on a tip-based system. This means you can choose to give a tip for using the service, but it's not required. This is different from apps like Dave, which charge a monthly fee for access to their services, and could be a deal breaker depending on your preferences. The third thing to consider is the fee structure. While you don't pay interest, EarnIn does have a maximum daily limit you can withdraw. Typically, the limit is around $100 per day, with a weekly cap, so if you're counting on larger sums before payday, this could be limiting compared to other apps like Bridget that have different withdrawal limits. Moving on, EarnIn's functionality extends beyond just cash advances. It also offers a feature called Balance Shield, which automatically alerts you if your bank balance falls below a set amount, helping you avoid overdraft fees. This can be a useful tool, but keep in mind, this feature is free only if you tip for your cash advance. Without a tip, you may miss out on this benefit. The fifth thing to mention is the cash advance eligibility. EarnIn is fairly lenient compared to competitors. You only need to have direct deposit set up to qualify, and your employer needs to be eligible. So if you're working with a smaller company, you might run into some issues, whereas Dave and Bridget have a broader reach with their supported employers. Next thing, EarnIn has a great integration with various banks and offers a fast transfer speed for your advances, typically within minutes. But here's the catch. The free transfer is through your linked bank, and if you want instant transfers, EarnIn charges a small fee. Other apps, like Bridget, offer instant transfers for a monthly fee, but EarnIn's pay-per-use model might work better for occasional use. The seventh thing to know is the app's ease of use. The user interface is clean and straightforward, making it easy to request advances and track your earnings. If you're comparing it to Dave or Bridget, the user experience is one of EarnIn's biggest strengths. However, it's still not perfect. Some users report occasional glitches with linking their bank accounts. The eighth thing to remember is that EarnIn isn't alone. It's essentially your own earned income. This means there's no credit check, and your approval is mainly based on the hours you've worked. However, if you're looking for long-term financial assistance or building credit, EarnIn won't help with that, unlike certain other financial apps that offer credit-building features. The ninth thing to consider is customer service. EarnIn offers support through its app, but response times can be slower than you might expect, especially during high-traffic periods. In comparison, Dave and Bridget are known for more responsive customer support. Next, the 10th thing to know is about the maximum balance you can access. Unlike other apps that cap your available balance at a specific percentage of your income, EarnIn offers a more flexible model where you can access up to $100 per day or a maximum of $500 each pay cycle, depending on your earnings. The 11th thing is that EarnIn is perfect if you want something quick and don't need ongoing help. It's a great option for those who need a small amount to tide them over between paychecks, but it isn't a comprehensive financial solution like a traditional bank or credit line. And finally, the 12th thing to consider is whether EarnIn is really the best fit for you. While it's a solid choice for getting access to your wages early without high fees, if you're looking for a service with more features or lower overall costs, you might want to check out other options. So if you're not sure, we've got a recommended solution that you can try for free, offering some benefits EarnIn doesn't. EarnIn is a good option for those who need a quick cash advance with no interest, but if you're looking for something with more options or a better fee structure, consider our free recommendation.